Hello, today I would like to show you this quite interesting holster that I recently purchased. I've got in mind my Inrico T198. This is my daily driver that I heavily use with the microphone, genuine microphone that I modify. You can check my other video. But I was having problem to get a proper holster for that radio. Personally, I am big fan of a leather one from Motorola, but the problem is that it is definitely too small, and the problem is that Motorola is making very similar size radio from the XT series, the PMR or a business radio. They've got almost the same form factor, but there is one big problem, and the Motorola radios, they are using clip holsters that you can rotate, and it is clipping onto the battery, and there is really no leather holsters that are going to fit, because they go with the idea that you've got the clip, you clip it on your belt, and that's your carrying system. So I don't think they are manufacturing for the XT series the leather one. But this is what I've got. Let me first show you the packaging. So this is straight from China. We've got the Amomax. The model number is AMRH, probably radio holster. As you can see, the manufacturer stated that it's going to fit the Baofeng radio and some other Motorola radio. Here you can see it was purchased like a airsoft toy, but I'm going to tell you something really interesting. Here you can see all the good things, and the model number you can search by that EAN number. And the funny thing is that I've got a duty holster that is made by a Phobos company, very expensive duty holster, and it's looking like it's got exactly the same mount. This is a 300-degree mount. You can undo a screw and you can rotate it and align. I'm going to show you everything. This is a paddle type, and that's what I'm using on the duty belt. So it is quite interesting, and I'm wondering if it's going to be compatible. They also included in the package this piece of foam. The idea is that if you've got a radio that fall deeply into the hole, you can grab this piece of foam and put it inside, so it's going to be bigger, like a taller. You can of course grab a knife and cut it to get a proper fit. Just put the glue, go on the bottom, and you've got a perfect match. But from what I see, we are going to get a perfect fit, or near perfect fit. We are going to see. I haven't tried yet because I have to remove the belt. You cannot insert with a belt, it's not going to be working. So this is the paddle, we can rotate it. They include a wrench for that operation, which is a very, very nice. Let's try to adjust it. So you just undo this. And by the way, if you are carrying it on your duty belt, I recommend you putting a small drop of Loctite afterwards, so we're not going to unscrew. As you can see, we've got a teeth and you can adjust it. So if here is your body, your belt, you can have it on a slightly angle, so the antenna is not going to poke you. So this is a very good. Let's put it like this. And it starts looking really nice. So depending on, you can wear it both on the left and right side. You can just rotate it like you want. So it starts looking really nice. We have ability to adjust the retention by using those screws. So there is some form of adjustment. This is what I want. Let's try to undo the belt clip. This part is also flexible, like a band, so it can accommodate. And here we've got the clip. And the moment of truth looks like we've got a pretty good fit. It doesn't go to the end. Looks like because of that piece of rubber, now I've got a problem, because most likely I'm going to remove it. Maybe I shouldn't do that. Just very quickly, this is me from future. This is the port plug cover. I add a silicone to protect the hole and get exactly the same IP rating that it had before. After it will go solid, I'm going just to cut it with a knife. So that's how it presents. In that very bad way, but yeah, let's see. It's already removed. Let's see. Oh, that's a good fit. This is a good fit. We've got a very good fit. This is a good fit. Just take a look at this. Just take a look. This is a good fit. We've got a very good fit. So, how does it look? Does it look nice? Here is your belt. Slightly angled, not going to poke you. I believe this is the best holster that you can get. I shouldn't pull like this, but I don't want to PTT. We can slightly release the tension. Let's see what's going to be happening. Okay, here we've got a lot of adjustment. And it looks very good. That's looking extremely good. I very enjoyed. And of course, not a chance. Not a chance. This is a snug fit. The fit is very snug. Absolutely no way it's going anywhere. So I think we've got a very good purchase. This, to be honest, is a overkill. Oh, we can adjust it by tying the knot little bit for. But yeah, this is how it looks like. I believe we've got a perfect fit for our Inrico T198. That was a great purchase. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.